Today, we're going to be putting this into this. So this is the Nikon FE2, a 35mm SLR film camera. We're going to go ahead and load a roll of film. The first thing we're going to look at is this knob on the left-hand side. There are two things that you need to do to open the back of the camera. First is this lever. Not all cameras have this, but if you push this lever at the same time as pulling up on the knob, it's going to then open up the back of the camera. Then on the right-hand side, you're going to have the take-up spool, and it's going to have a few slots in it. Some rotate one way, some the other. It depends on your camera. And we're going to go ahead and pull out a little bit of the film so we have some slack. Placing it in that spot, but making sure to push down on that knob. It's going to lock it in place. And then placing the end of the film into one of the slots. And then I turn the take-up spool a little bit. And then I usually only do this once, but I do it twice for the sake of this video. Releasing the shutter button to show you what that looks like. And then closing the back of the camera. And then to get the counter to 0, I usually release the shutter twice. Seeing that knob on the left-hand side turn means that your film is loaded properly. Now, when you're all done, you need to release the film. And to do that, press this button, and then allows you to rewind the film back into the canister, lifting up on this lever and then turning it clockwise until you feel it give. And then I go a little bit further to make sure it's all the way inside the canister, and then opening up the back of the camera, and you're good to go. It's that simple. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them below. You've stuck around this long, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more. My name is John Weinberg. Till next time, take care.